What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create effective bassline for your songs. If this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash the like button and share this video to all your friends and family. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So I made this simple beat to show you guys a couple of different bassline methods, right? I'm going to just play this beat without the bass. Okay, so the most basic bassline that we can have is, of course, the root note. G minor, use the G root note, which is this, and then F, going to F, C, C, D. So this is the most basic bassline for a song, okay? Let me just play it for you. Okay, so that's the first one, the sustained root note. The second bassline that we can have is using the root and the fifth of the chord. Let me show you. The first one here is G minor 7, right? Here, okay, I'm just going to enlarge this and I'm going to go to global track and click on this chord track so we can see it clearer. Here we have G minor. So the root note is G and the fifth note is D, right? G is the root note, which is the first note, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So G, A, B flat, C, D. D is the fifth note. So I have created a simple rhythm. Okay, it doesn't have to be a rhythm like this. It can be any rhythm, but using these two notes. Okay, I'm just going to play for you. Okay, let's say you don't like this rhythm, right? What you can do is you can change the rhythm. Okay, let me move this back here and move this one here, this one, and back to G. Okay, you can have that rhythm. Okay, and then we can just copy that, bring it to F, because it's the F chord. This one go to C. The other one goes to D. Okay, let's hear it. Just use the root and the fifth of the chord to create a fancy chord, fancy bassline, right? So let's move to the third type, which is root, fifth, and the root. Okay, let me double click on it. Okay, now it's the same chord, right? We've been using the same chord, but now we use the root, the fifth, and the octave, and up higher. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, the rhythm doesn't matter. Now I just created a simple rhythm, and let's see if it sounds good or not. I'm gonna play the track now. Okay, you can use that, or you can go straight to the octave and bring it down bring it down to D, and then you can have this one shorter and move it back up to G. Okay, you can do that. The next one is to use root, fifth, root, and the third. Okay, this will get busier because there are like 4 notes in the bass. And here, let me just show you. So for the G chord, we have G, root, and an octave higher, another root, and the fifth, and it goes down to the third of the chord, which is B flat, and move up to fifth, and it's going to be the same. But you have to be careful when you copy and paste it. Make sure that when it goes to F dominant 7, it's not using a minor third, it should be a major third. And when you go to C minor, it should be minor third, and the D dominant 7 flat 9 should be D dominant, should be major third, right? So I'm going to play this one. This kind of bass line is really cool. You can feel like it's really, there's something going on within at the bottom of the song, at the bottom end of the song. And if you listen to Billie Eilish's latest song, what's that song name? Therefore I Am, or something like that. Yeah, you can see that the bass moves. You know, if you feel it when you listen to the song, you feel like, okay, there's something going on. What's that? This is really a brilliant way to use the bass line. The next type of chord is definitely the root. Okay, let me just duplicate. It's going to be root and octave, just root. It's going to be just playing the octave, like G, lower G and higher G. Usually this kind of patterns will have shorter notes and quick rhythm, faster rhythm, alright? So I'm going to play for you. Okay, if you notice here, all the notes in higher octave, I have reduced the velocity. I didn't have it like in a higher velocity. The reason being is I don't want it to take space of the higher frequency. So if I turn this up, it will sound nasty, really. Okay, it sounds good for both the G minor and the F dominant 7, but when it goes to C minor and D dominant 7, it's really funny the way it sounds. I already cut the high frequency, but still it sounds a little weird. So that is why I like to keep all the higher note lower velocity. Okay, the tips here: if you want to reduce the velocity without affecting the other one, you just have to select all. I'm going to press shift and adjust the velocity. Okay. Okay, another thing, you can also have a different rhythm. You don't have to have like the same rhythm like this. Okay, you can have like this. Okay. Right, so that's the fifth types of bass line. Okay, the last one is root, octave, fifth. Okay, this is similar as the last one here, the root, octave and the fifth, but this one, the fifth will be in the higher octave. Okay, so let me play for you. This is another way to just create the movement, like I mentioned earlier. Usually what you can do is you can use this kind of bass line for chorus. Okay, for example, if you have the verse which use only the sustained bass line, right? When it goes to chorus or the hook, you can have this kind of movement to make it really like epic for the chorus part, right? That will get the listeners excited with this kind of bass line. Make sure that you don't use these higher notes like frequently. For example, in one bar there's like 3 or 4 notes in the higher octave. That's really not good. All right, try to change the pattern, the rhythm here. I only want the fifth to be at the end of this bar. Okay, I can have another fifth here. So there's one fifth here and the other fifth in the upper octave. So let's copy that. Okay guys, so that's it for today. It's a very simple video. I just want to show you guys the kind of bass line that you can use for your song. I hope you guys learned something and find some value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification, smash the like button and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, if there's anything that you'd like to know about Cubase, about music production, do let me know. I'll do my best to create the video for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.